The report configuration screen allows you to modify the Excel or CSV downloads that you get from the reporting screen in the gateway. By default, the original format is what you get, and it has about 60 to 70 fields, so basically all of the information we have on a transaction. If you're using this report and you find it to be overwhelming and don't need that much information, you can add a new report format, give it a name, and choose from any of the available fields to show what ones you want to have in your report. I'm going to add a few here, and you can see I'm selecting them from the list on the left and hitting the right arrow to push them over into the file format. So those are all the ones that I want to get in my file format. I just want to download all of this information into Excel whenever I go to download a report. I can hit save, and the report's been configured. Now, when I go to reports, and I'll run a report, here we go. So I have 9 transactions here, and I want to download these. I can choose from my formats here. The original format will always be available, and that, like I said, is the one that has everything. Or you can choose from your custom ones. Here's the one named custom. I'll select that, and when I download, I get a much more streamlined download with only the information I need. If I ever want to cut out the step of choosing the format every time, if I always want to use this, I can make it the default, and when I click here, it'll make it the default one when I just hit download reports. I won't have to change the setting every time.